If you've ever tried to drain your hot tub using the built-in drain, you know that it takes forever. Now, we're gonna be putting in a pool, so that means I need to get this hot tub drained quickly so that it can be moved. The right tool to drain your hot tub fast is a small submersible utility pump. This backyard is about to be completely torn apart for this pool construction project. Putting in a pool has been a dream of my family's for years, and we're very excited about it. But this hot tub is right in the area where the pool is gonna go. Now, we got the hot tub a couple years ago. My family loves it. We use it all the time, so we don't wanna lose it, which means we're gonna have to move it. And eventually it's gonna go around the corner behind the garage there. But the first step is we need to get it drained so that it can be moved before excavation starts. Your hot tub already comes with a factory drain. It's this one down here. You just remove the cap, turn the valve, open the drain, and you can attach a hose to route the water where it needs to go. But these drains empty very slowly. I'm talking a slow trickle. And when you're dealing with hundreds of gallons of water, that takes a long time. I usually drain my tub with the factory drain overnight. But since this construction project is about to start and these excavators are on their way, we need to get this tub drained much faster than that. This setup is way easier. I'm using a 1 horsepower, 4,500 gallon per hour submersible water pump. It comes with an NPT adapter for a garden hose. It also comes with an adapter for other types of hoses and tubing, but the garden hose attachment is all I need. It's super easy. I'm just gonna connect my hose, drop it in where it needs to go, plug it in, and let it do the work. Here are some quick tips for draining your hot tub fast. Before you drain the water, make sure that the power to your hot tub is turned off at the breaker. Try to keep the pump in the deepest part of the hot tub so that it can pull out as much water as possible. And make sure you're draining somewhere that can actually handle that much water. Once the pump stops pulling water, there's usually a little left at the bottom. A wet dry vac works great for getting the rest out, especially around the seats and low spots where water collects. This is so much easier than waiting around for the built-in drain. Now that we've drained the water, the next step is going to be getting the hot tub disconnected so that it can be moved before construction starts. This backyard is never going to be the same again. Thanks for watching. Check out the channel for more hot tub and DIY videos for dads. I'll see you next time.